Hi, welcome to the Metal and Wood Shop. We're located in room 1211 at the Student Innovation Center. Here, we have some important safety protocols that we need to follow. We have a line here, and you have to have the proper PPE or personal protective equipment to cross this line. What we require in this shop is closed-toed shoes and closed-heeled shoes, long pants, and safety glasses. If you have long hair, it's a good idea to tie it back. Long sleeves, you should pull them up. Also, remove any loose or dangling jewelry such as watches, necklaces, and rings. And if you have strings on your sweatshirt, tie them or tuck them in. We ask that you scan in on our card readers and tell us why you're here. On our website, you can find a list of restricted materials, so as you're planning a project out, you know what you can and can't use. All of our tools in the shop have a designated safety level, and those levels correspond to the level of supervision that they need and the risk those tools provide. We also have everything locked, so when you come in, you need to talk to a shop supervisor and get the tool unlocked so that you can start your project. We look forward to seeing you soon. This is the drum sander found in room 1211, the Metal and Wood Makerspace at the Student Innovation Center. The drum sander is used to clean up the face of a board or to clean up a glued together project. It cannot remove large amounts of material. It can fit projects up to 36 inches wide, but they must be at least 12 inches long. It is a safety level 1, which means if a shop supervisor is working, one trained user can operate this machine. Measure your boards to ensure that they meet the minimum length of 12 inches, and make sure you are feeding your boards with the grain. This is the on button. This is the off button. This is the emergency stop. The actual switch is in the middle, so make sure if you have to hit this in case of emergency, you push in the middle of the bar, not on the edges. This is the table adjustment handle. Setting up for the initial pass is one of the most important parts to using the drum sander. If you set it up wrong, you can damage your wood or the machine. You'll keep the machine off for this initial setting. The first step is to lower the table so your board can enter the drum sander. Place it at least 3 to 4 inches into the drum sander. There is a roller that helps grab your board, and it will help us set our initial height. You will slowly but evenly raise the table up while wiggling the board back and forth. This is so that you can feel the exact moment when the board catches this roller. From this point, make note of what position the hand wheel is in and rotate it backwards or counterclockwise 1 full turn. Remove your board and return the hand wheel 1 full turn in the clockwise direction. This is your starting height for passing a board through the drum sander. We'll go through this one more time. You will slowly but evenly raise the table up while wiggling the board back and forth. This is so that you can feel the exact moment that the board catches the rollers. From this point, make note of what position the hand wheel is in and rotate it back counterclockwise 1 full turn. Remove your board and return the hand wheel 1 full turn in the clockwise direction. This puts you at the correct starting height for your first pass through the drum sander. You will get to practice this and get a better feel during the hands-on training. Turn on the dust collection system. There are 3 locations around the shop. This will help suck away any sawdust or wood shavings from your piece. Make sure your board is away from the machine opening and press the on button. Make sure you stand off to the side of the machine and nobody is directly in front or behind the machine. Hold the board on the top and sides and push it into the opening. The board will be grabbed by the conveyor belt and pulled in, so you should never have your fingers under the board. Once the machine grabs the board, you can let go. The board will come out the back. You can grab the board and the back of the machine. You can then raise the table by turning the wheel no more than 1/8 of a turn and run your board back through the machine. If your board is very wide, you may want to turn less than 1/8. It's normal to not sand until your second or third pass. You can use the caliper on the side of the machine or another caliper in the shop to keep track of your thickness. When done, press the off button and lower the table. Grab a hand broom and dustpan and clean up any sawdust or wood shavings.